Hi, I'm Dr. Wallace from Catawba Heights Animal Hospital, here to talk to you today about puppy care. I have a couple of questions that we're going to be answering. Why is it important to start good puppy care on day one? It's good to start good puppy care on day one because when you get your puppy, they're going to need various different things, kind of like a child would, a human child. They're going to need, certain types of food, certain feeding schedules, vaccines. A lot of puppies have parasites as they get them from the mom when they're nursing in those first few weeks of life. And getting good care on day one sets them up for success later in life and in the weeks to come as they grow older. How soon should I bring my puppy in to see the veterinarian for their first exam? We recommend bringing your pet in as soon as you get it for an examination. We recommend that you bring in all your vaccine history, adoption paperwork from the breeder, paperwork from a previous veterinarian, whoever, so we know what your puppy's had, what it needs, and then what we can recommend in the future for future appointments, schedules, that kind of thing. What are the most common health problems in puppies? One of the most common is intestinal parasites. Roundworms are the most common parasite in puppy. We also see fleas and tapeworms. Diarrhea is one from parasites. Vomiting is another from parasites. Parasites are the number one thing that we see in puppies. Others can be, dietary fleas are another one. They can cause an anemia because they suck the blood from the puppy and cause them to be weak. Those are kind of the most common ones. What are some signs and symptoms of illness in your puppy? So puppies should be very playful. They're going to run around, chew up things, chase your feet. They're going to engage in play, and then they're going to go to sleep, crash hard, have a nap for a couple hours, and then wake up. A sick puppy is not going to want to play. They're going to lay around. They may not eat as much. A healthy puppy is going to have a pretty ravenous appetite. A sick puppy will have vomiting. They may have diarrhea, not eating as well. Their gums could be pale. They may have a crusty yellow discharge from the nose or the eyes. They may have a hard time peeing or pooping, especially if they're dehydrated. But basically, they're just going to lay around and they're going to look sick. What are signs of a healthy, thriving puppy? A healthy and thriving puppy is going to have periods of play and periods of sleep. They're also going to have really good appetites, drink a lot of water. They're going to poop and pee a lot because they're eating and drinking all the time. They're going to be gaining weight. They're going to engage in that play. A sick puppy is going to lay around, not eat as much, not engage in that play. A puppy should be driving you nuts most of the time with activity. A sick puppy is going to lay there. When should I start training my puppy? As soon as you get your puppy. The most vital time and the easiest time to train your puppy is before they become an adult. It's best done between 10, 16 weeks of age is to start. That's when learning is the best. Positive reinforcement is the best as well. Once they get their rabies vaccines and most of their parvo distemper vaccines, they can engage in training classes. But home training is fine, and as soon as you get them, start it right away. What will my vet be looking for on my first exam? We're going to be looking for bright eyes, good gum color, good weight on the puppy, engaging, active in the room. We're looking for maybe no hernias along where the umbilical cord was or in the inguinal growing area of your puppy. We're going to make sure males, both testicles are in the scrotum. We're going to be looking to make sure they're engaging and happy and active in the room. If you have any questions regarding puppy care, please give us a call. We're always here for you.